Hi Twilight-tastic fans, so today I am back and I am going to be playing with this Avalanche slime that I got from my local Walmart. So I'm going to open it up and there's a lot of foam balls, so I'm guessing we're going to have to mix those in. So I'm just going to try to get to the slime part. Oh, everything is going everywhere. Okay, there's some of the slime. Guess that's all the slime, but this is gonna be like one crunchy slime because it has all these foam balls everywhere. So I'm gonna put all these in and I'll be right back. Well guys, I got in as much as I could. And it's really, really crackly. So we could do pretty good ASMR with this. I would recommend it, but you just have to remember that this is going to be very, very messy. But it does make a lot of crackles, so if you don't like crackles, then don't get this slime. But anyways, thank you, Twilight-tastic fans, for watching. Bye. Boop.